In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira Software's burn down chart to effectively measure and enhance your team's efficiency and productivity. If you're managing a team and looking to track progress and identify areas for improvement, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project. Once you're in, locate the top panel and click on the Reports section. This is where you'll find various reporting tools that Jira offers, crucial for keeping a pulse on your project's progress. Look for and select the Sprint Burndown chart from the list of available reports. This particular chart is instrumental in visualizing how your team is progressing through a sprint. You'll then need to select the sprint you wish to evaluate. This allows you to zero in on the specific period you're interested in analyzing. Once you've got your sprint selected, the chart will display a wealth of information. It shows the work progress, the ideal burn down, and actual performance. Now let's talk about how you can measure team efficiency using this burn down chart. The ideal burn down line is your marker for planned work completion. It shows the optimal pace at which work should be completed. Compare this against the actual burn down line, which reflects your team's real progress. If you notice the actual line is above the ideal line, it indicates that the team is behind schedule. Conversely, if the actual line falls below the ideal, it reveals that your team is completing tasks quicker than anticipated. Moving on to boosting your team's productivity, the burn down chart offers several insights. Start by refining your sprint planning. Make sure that the workload is distributed realistically so that your team isn't overwhelmed. Limiting work in progress, or WIP, is another strategy that can drive focus. Encourage your team to concentrate on fewer tasks at a time, which can lead to increased efficiency overall. It's also crucial to monitor and remove blockers. Identify any obstacles that might be hindering your team's ability to complete work on time and address them promptly. Reviewing past sprints is vital as well. Use insights gleaned from these reviews to improve future sprint velocity, ensuring continuous growth and better results over time. Lastly, don't forget that the burn down chart works best when used in conjunction with other reports. Consider combining it with tools like the Sprint Health Report and the Velocity Chart for a more in-depth analysis. Armed with this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to lead your team to success, ensuring that your projects not only meet deadlines but also exceed expectations. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to apply these strategies in your next sprint for a noticeable boost in efficiency and productivity.